Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well and I hope you guys are happy. In today's video, we are going to be refreshing my family room and just adding some new decor, throwing some new pillows on the sofa. Now you guys have seen this room plenty of times in other videos and I wanted to bring a warm touch. So if you're interested in seeing how things are going to change, just keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is start by taking the pillows and the blankets off of the sofa just to kind of give it a clean and fresh look. Now those lighter color pillows that I'm actually about to show you, these are the pillows I'm actually still going to be utilizing, while the other pillows I am going to be storing away. I have no plans on giving away these pillows because you can always purchase pillow covers and turn them into a different look. Now, if you guys know me, you already know I'm always going to find a way to include a clean with me. You guys, I just really enjoy cleaning that much. But I definitely wanted to kind of brush off the sofa a little bit. We haven't eaten on the sofa since the last time I deep cleaned it. And if you guys want to check out that video, I'll definitely link it down below. But however, we have been sitting on it and I wanted to make sure that it is very clean, it's completely muted before I started adding pieces to it. So yeah, I also did the same thing to the ottoman because I did buy some decor for that piece as well. And here is what the living room is looking like before we start putting our pillows on. I wanted to give you guys a quick overview of the products that I purchased. I purchased a few throw pillows, a tray, a vase, some decor, and some throw blankets. Now, the 2 black pillows and the 4 deep gray pillows did come from Living Spaces. The other pillows came from Home Goods and they were very affordable. So if you guys are looking to kind of spruce your space up with some pillows, definitely check out those places. So what I'm doing now is kind of taking a look at what I just created. I'm kind of mixing and matching pillows, trying to decide where I want things to be. I think when you are designing your home, it does take some trial and error just to kind of figure out your style and how you want things to look. But I did like how everything turned out in the end. I love the completed look. So make sure that you guys keep on watching to the end. And if you're enjoying it so far, make sure you give your girl a really big thumbs up and meet me in those comments. Let me know what you would add or take away from what you're seeing so far. So guys, I think at this point I was getting a little frustrated. I wasn't sure how things were going to turn out. I had so many pillows left over, so I felt like I over purchased in pillows, but I honestly didn't. You have to keep on watching to the end to actually see how I'm going to be utilizing the other pillows. I definitely am not done with decorating this room by far, but this is definitely going to be a great start of getting us into the completion stage. I am am looking for a credenza or a TV stand so that I can put my TV out and take it out the box. I know you guys are so sick of seeing it. And I also am going to have some custom curtains made for this area. I just can't wait to be completed. So if you guys are so interested, make sure you guys are subscribed so that you can see the journey of the complete house. So I'm putting that blanket on the couch now. I did throw it in the dryer because it was a little linty and it was actually falling off with lint. So I wanted to throw it in the dryer for it to catch all of the lint. Now I'm just mixing and matching the pillows because they are not quite right for me. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get started with putting this centerpiece together. So I actually liked how the centerpiece turned out. These pieces will definitely be interchangeable, and I'll probably shop my home to place these pieces in different areas, but for right now they are perfect. I'm just cleaning up a little bit, and here is the final look. So guys, I absolutely love the personality these throw pillows gave to this sectional. It makes it a little bit more sophisticated and I just love it. I am looking to definitely replace this rug with a lighter rug, and that fireplace, I actually have plans on the decor finally. I'm waiting on a basket for those pillows to actually go in, but no worries. I'm gonna update you guys as soon as I receive them. I'm just in love with how the space looks, how it feels, and how it smells. Let me know in the comments down below, are you loving how everything looks? Let me give you a close-up of what the actual ottoman looks like with its decor. It's simple, yet it's elegant, and it's not too fancy because we do have a formal living for that. It's simple, it's a little glam, and it boosts up the taste, and honestly, I just love it. So let me know in the comments down below, are you feeling this space? Are you seeing the direction that I am going in? If you are and you enjoyed this video, please give me a really big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I really do enjoy making content for you like this, so if you are interested in more content, make sure you guys are subscribed. I do appreciate it. As always, remember to stay safe, spread love, and always be kind. I'll catch you on my next video, guys. Bye.